I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to switch your checking accounts on your Capital One, because with Capital One you only get your original debit card, and if you open another checking account they don't send you another debit card, which is actually quite awesome, because that way they save the plastic and they're greener on the earth, and it keeps more cards out of your pocket, so you really don't have to worry about which one is this one again. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to change them. So I've already logged in my account. So most of you, if you have a Capital One, you know how. You just www.capitalone.com, you log into your account. So this, for instance, is Give Yourself Grace, which is the account I switched to, and the Giggity Giggity Goo. Those two are new, and this one is my like my own personal spending, and the other Giggity Giggity Goo is my side gigs. I thought it was cute because I like Family Guy, and Quagmire says that, and it's side gigs, so giggity. Now this I changed. It used to be Tara's Major Keys used to be my main checking account. I have switched it over to Give Yourself Grace. So if I wanted to switch it back, all I would do is go to the active one, which is Give Yourself Grace, and click that. So all I did was tap on it and it's opening now. So then I scroll and you see where it says to the right there, Account Services and Settings. I would click on Account Services and Settings, and right there, the second column, it says Manage Debit Card. And the very last option is Switch Your Spending Account. If you check on that, you'll see all your checking accounts there, and it tells you that you can select the account that you would like to spend from. Right now it's on Give Yourself Grace with no guilt, and that's the one I want to use. But if I wanted to use, like, go back to my Major Keys, I would do that and switch my spending account. Oh, okay. So I did not know this. This didn't happen to me earlier when I switched this, and that's fine. But normally you just get an email that tells you that everything is fine and that you switched it. Now this one is telling me, whoops, at the moment the ability to switch your spending card while transactions are pending is available. Feel free to transfer funds to your current spending account if you need immediate access to your money. And got it. So I didn't know that happened, so I just learned that with you guys, but that's fine. I just swiped something today, like just earlier today, and it was food, KFC. So because I have this, I'm trying to move it and show you, but it's moving a little so slow here, because I assume because I have the KFC charge still there, it is why it wouldn't let me switch from this account. You have to make sure everything clears. I guess they don't want any kind of fraudulent things where you're moving money in and out trying to like get over on the system. But that's as easy as it is. You will not get that normally if you don't have anything pending. You just be able to switch to your next account. Actually, I want to keep mine on Give Yourself Grace, not guilt, so that worked out perfectly for me. I hope that was easy and understandable for you watching. I hope this was informational. If you need any other further help or assistance, please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you like the video, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you think this will help other people, consider sharing the video with others on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, your friends, your family, your loved ones, your ex if he doesn't know how to work with money. Anyway, love you guys. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye!